one of the big themes for Groundbreak will be around artificial intelligence, will be around data, our data platform. We've been building a data platform now for 5 years, and every single part of Procore, the data flows into that data platform. We've taken the hard road on this. We built it all ourselves, and anytime we acquire something, we only look at it through the lens of like, how rapidly can we integrate it into our data platform? And that's an area where I feel like we're pretty far, many years ahead of most of the other technologies in the industry, because it's been one of our biggest investments. What's interesting about a data platform? Well, first, reporting, analytics, Copilot, automation, any part of Procore, you can combine and you can do all of those things on top of the data. You can also take the data and put it in your own environment to our cloud connectors. Like, we've just invested heavily in that area because that's the bet we're making. We believe data in the hands of builders is what's going to change the industry. And so this is where we're kind of putting our flag down and saying we will be far ahead of the industry on this. And I'll give you a few examples. If you've got all your financials, all your labor, all your construction objects, all your estimates, and all that data is in a single platform, well, you can easily run reports on that data and join like labor productivity rates over to your schedule, to auto-generate a schedule, back to your budget to see how it impacts budget with different crews. Oh, and you can then bring that back up to your next estimate. Like, all that exists in Procore today. It's no longer like a vision. It just, that's how Procore works. And so it's really cool from a data perspective. But back to the AI part of that, the way we interact with user experiences is going to fundamentally change, right? Because I'll give you a few examples. Instead of filling out a form, like typing into an iPad or a computer, you will talk into it. Like, that doesn't seem like crazy, right? We're getting better and better at NLP. We're better at voice. You can take a block of that and you can run an LLM on it, and it can spit out a nice ordered list for you of things based on like the construction specifications of that particular project. All these technologies coming together in that way, you can just sort of close your eyes and imagine the way we interact with software is just going to be really, really different. We're going to talk to it. We're going to run automations. Like, one thing we're seeing right now is instead of building a report, creating, like, joining and doing all this, data munging, you will ask for a report and maybe even create an agent for that report and say, like, Procore, I would like to have a report on labor productivity rates across my 23 crews on these projects, and I would like it on Fridays. It's very doable right now. It's not like feature-y. And so try to imagine, like, instead of people sitting at keyboards, like, trying to build all this stuff, now you're just talking into an application, and the application is creating these reports for you. This is not future stuff. It's now, and it's really exciting. But we feel good about that data platform under the hood that's kind of created that.